at the banks of River Yamuna. This is a daily routine here. Ganga Aarti. I'm just waiting for the prayer to start. We'll have a look at the prayer for 5-6 minutes. Once it starts, then I will move out on the street and show you some views from Rishikesh. Just waiting for this to start. So sorry and apologies to all. I have just moved out of the temple premises where this prayer was going on. It was taking longer than what I had expected. Although the main aarti is very beautiful once it starts. Very peaceful to listen, but somehow it is taking more time than I had expected. So I moved out of the temple now. I'm going to give you a brief about this holy town Rishikesh on this tour. Just let me know if you can hear me well now. Is the audio better? Right now we are in the market street here in Rishikesh. Both the sides you can see a lot of shops on the street selling different products, different items apart from veggies, vegetables and tourists all over India. And not only from all over India, all over the world visit this holy town Rishikesh. Now Rishikesh became very popular all over the world, and that was in the year 1968. 1968 when the Beatles visited the Maharishi's ashram in Rishikesh. That was in the year 1968, and they were here for a few years. They were here for a few years, and during those years, lot of such meditation and yoga ashrams sprang up in Rishikesh. And not only during those years, even till today, there are hundreds and hundreds of such yoga ashrams where you can get yourself trained in yoga. Lot of noise here because of the crowd. Some dogs barking here. Thank you, Sarah. After his brother's name, and the third one is called Janki Jhoola. And there you see, one of those jhulas where my just finger is pointing. Giving you some views of the river Ganges and the bridge, the pedestrian bridge. Thank you, Adam. Which originates in the Himalayas. Some 250 kilometers on the upstream side, becomes very calm, very peaceful, turbulence free here in Rishikesh. It's about 20 degrees Celsius, I would say, Jay. 20 degrees Celsius. So you see this gentleman, he's selling some water in the cans. You can buy such cans and collect some water from river Ganges and take them to your home for the prayers. All these white and oranges cans which you see, these are there for collecting water. And there's a basket of flowers there with a diya. एक दे दोगे, चढ़ा दोगे. मैं देता हूँ पैसे. Yes, becomes mightier and mightier as it goes down, Sarah, and finally merges with the Bay of Bengal. एक चढ़ा देंगे आप. So I've asked just this lady for us. She'll be immersing one of these baskets for us. Let us pray for world peace. एक बार दिखा देना जरा मुझे. It contains some flowers. There you see and one diya. And just offering it to Goddess Ganga. Yes, gives us life, prosperity, peace. There for everybody. It is of betel leaves. And then in the basket we have flowers and a diya. For everybody, Sarah. Yes, for you as well as for everybody. Praying for peace and prosperity for everybody. And the street on both the sides, there you see lined up with vendors, food stalls, and selling stuff for the pilgrims. And on the other side are these temples and the ashrams. The temples and the ashrams where people will come and stay there and then start their bigger pilgrimages. The four bigger pilgrimages from Rishikesh. They go to Gangotri, Yamunotri, Badrinath, and Kedarnath. From where River Ganges takes off, the origins. Time here almost 6:30. Some street snacks here. Tikki, video bana lu. Is there aloo tikki? Aloo tikki made out of potato. Sure it is, Sarah. Yes. Some more saying aloo tikki. Rishikesh from Delhi. Just about 5 hours or so. And you can reach Rishikesh from Delhi. And a lot of tourists, as I have told you earlier during this tour, lot of tourists, not only from India, from around the world visit Rishikesh. Because Rishikesh is the yoga capital for the world. Many, maybe I don't have a count. So many of them. And there we see the beautiful pedestrian bridge. We are going there very shortly. Janie, welcome. So on to the bridge now. Spanning some 125 meters from one side of the city, one bank to the other side. Raj, namaste.